Okay guys, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made 12 cedis online every day using the search by platform. So subscribe to this channel, also turn the notification bell and share and also like this video. So without taking much time, let me show you how you can register on the platform, and also you can also make money using the ACM platform. So this is the registration page of the platform. I'm using the search by app, so you have to create an account using the email but not using the phone number, because when you are using the phone number to register an account, you can't receive the verification code. So you have to use the email to create an account. So you enter your username, then you enter your phone number here. So let's say this is my username. I'm creating this account because of you, because I'm having an account already. So I'm showing you how you can create an account. Then you enter your email here. Then you click on send. When you click on send, you wait for some short minutes, then you receive the OTP code in your email address. Then you copy that email verification code, then you paste it here. Then you create your password, then you create your withdrawal password, the password that you use for withdrawal. Then you have to use the link in the description to sign up. Then you enter my verification code. I'll leave it on the screen. You enter my invitation code, then after that you click on create an account. So after you have successfully created an account, you have to log in into your account. Then you start making money online. So this is the notice from the site. This is their WhatsApp number. You can chat him if you encounter any problem. So this is legit. I've been using this website and I've withdrawn some money into my mobile money address on my different account. I was using some account, but I lost that phone, so I'm using this account now. And today I made 12 Ghana cedis from this account this evening. So I want to show you how you can make same amount on this platform. So let me show you what to do. Again, you have to click on your profile, then you have to go to your settings, then you have to go to your shipping address, then you have to fill these forms. You have to enter your real name here, your phone number, your region, and your detailed address. Then after that you click on confirm. So after confirming, you have to get back to your profile. Then as a new user, you have to make a deposit to this platform, and you start grabbing the orders and you make money online. So let me show you something about this website. So as a VIP 1, you earn 0.3% from the order grabbing, and the maximum order grabbing is 20. Then the minimum deposit for level 1 is 10 Ghana cedis, and level 2 you deposit it seems that I'm doing some mistake here, so let me explain it to you. As a VIP 1 member, you earn 3% from your orders that you make. And the minimum deposit on this website is 50 Ghana cedis, not 10 Ghana cedis. It's 50 Ghana cedis. So let me show you how you can deposit your money into this website, and you can make money online. Today I just made 12 Ghana cedis this night. You can see today's profit. I just made these 12 Ghana cedis from this platform. I deposited 500 cedis, so I will earn 12 Ghana cedi, 12 cedis, 68 pesos every day. I deposited 500 Ghana cedis and I'll earn 12.68 Ghana cedis. So let me show you how I will earn every month. So let's say 12.68 times, so let's say a month 31. So I will earn 300 cedis, 393 cedis. So I earn 393 cedis as a bonus, not as my own, as a bonus, plus the money that I deposited, so which means I'm going to earn 800 cedis, 893 Ghana cedis every month from this website. So when you subtract the money that you deposited, you earn 393 cedis from this website. You earn much money from this website, so you have to deposit at least, when you want to earn much, you have to deposit at least 50 cedis or 100 cedis. And when you want to earn more, you have to deposit 100 Ghana cedis into this website. So let me show you how you can deposit. You have to click on the deposit button. Then you can deposit using the mobile money or the Voda Cash. Using this mobile money, the minimum is 100 cedis, and this one the minimum is 1,000, and this one the minimum is 500 cedis. And using this Voda Cash, depositing with this Voda Cash account, the minimum is 100 Ghana cedis. But to prevent delays when you make the deposit, maybe the money would delay before it will reflect into your account. So to prevent the delays, I will advise you to deposit using the digital currencies, which is the USDT. On this platform, 1 USDT is 6 cedis, 50 pesos. So you can deposit. I will advise you to deposit using USDT on this platform to prevent delays of your money into your account. So you have to select the USDT network that you want to deposit. Then you copy the address. Then you go to you use that. So this is my USDT. This is my USDT wallet. I use Binance. So you use that 500 cedis or the amount that you want to you want to deposit on the platform. You will use that amount to purchase USDT from Binance P2P trading. So on Binance, you can buy USDT or Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency through MoMo. So you have to buy some USDT from Binance. You can buy it from this vendor because it has limit of 15 Ghana cedis, and you are buying at least 50 Ghana cedis. So you have to buy the USDT from Binance. Then after you have bought it, the money will reflect into your spot wallet. Then you click on withdraw. Then you select the currency that you are withdrawing. So you are withdrawing USDT. Then you paste the website address here. So you copy the website address, then you paste it over here. So when you select the network, you select TRC20 because you chose TRC20 here. So after you are successfully, you have to enter the amount that you are withdrawing from Binance. So let's say when you bought that, the minimum amount that you can withdraw from Binance is $9. So I will advise you to buy at least 80 cedis plus, because you get $11 or $10 when you buy 80 cedis from 80 cedis USDT from Binance that you can withdraw, because the minimum withdraw from Binance is $9. So let's say you bought $10 from Binance, so you enter the amount and you select your wallet that you are withdrawing the money from. So let's say the money is in the funding wallet. So after that, you click on withdraw. So after you have sent the money to this platform, you click on the submit. Then you enter the amount that you withdraw from Binance. You withdraw $10 from Binance, and Binance will deduct $1, so you receive $9. Then you upload a screenshot. After you send the money, you take a screenshot and you upload it, and after that you click on submit recharge. So you wait for your money. So you wait until you receive your money into your account. Then after that, you start making the orders. So let me show you how you can make the orders. You click on grab orders. I have finished my today's orders. You click on grab orders, then you click on auto grab and you wait for it to load. Then after that, you will click on submit order. So you keep on repeating this method for repeating this method for 20 times. Then you're done for the orders for today. So you repeat this method every day and you will make money online. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to receive more videos. Don't forget to join the WhatsApp group in the description when you create an account on this platform for more information. So join the WhatsApp group in the description for more information about this platform.